Alright, so second video of the day. Probably not gonna be uploaded in the same day, but yeah. Anyways, just got done doing the crochet hook video. So what I'm gonna be talking about today is how to make your dreadlocks stop itching, or specifically your scalp stop itching, because your dreadlocks don't itch, your scalp does. But yeah, the reason I'm making this is because mine itch. My scalp itches so much, and it just started yesterday, and I still haven't washed my hair, just because I just retwisted my hair, and it's so annoying when you have like these type of dreads and you don't want to like ruin your retwist, but your head like itches so much. It didn't itch when I first twisted my hair because my hair was already washed, and that's bringing me into how to solve this problem. To get rid of itch with your dreadlocks, shampoo your hair, wash your hair, not with conditioner, because conditioner doesn't wash your hair, and in fact makes your hair loose, and your dreadlock will probably come out. Just kidding. Will make your hair loose, so I just don't recommend that if you're trying to lock your hair up. But yeah, get in your shower and wash your hair. Not specifically your hair, just your scalp, because your scalp is the thing that needs to be. My hair really does itch. But yeah, you have to wash your hair. That also goes for dandruff as well, because once you start getting dandruff, that means your scalp is getting a little dry. I wouldn't recommend getting oil or putting oil in your hair, because your hair provides natural oils after a while. So like, say you just wash your hair won't start developing those oils until like maybe a week later. At least that's how it is for me. Actually, how it is for me, my natural oils started to come back after like 4 days after I washed my hair. And is the dandruff coming? Not now, because I don't really scratch my hair much. Dandruff really just comes from scratching, at least from me, where it comes. But yeah, just wash your hair. But I'm not talking about any time your dreadlocks itch, because your dreadlocks are going to itch. It's a very itchy hairstyle. That's one thing you're going to have to get over in your journey. Like, your hair is going to itch, but if you're really that dedicated, you're going to stick with it. And I stick with it. And when my hair itches, I really do want to get rid of them. Especially when my hair is down. My hair used to just be up, and there was already a lot of new growth. So I was just digging in. Sorry, I don't know what that was, but yeah. But yeah, solution. Get in the shower and wash your hair. I can't stress it enough. That's the only way you're gonna get your dreadlocks to stop itching. You could put some non-itch oil or whatever in your hair, but oil makes your hair slippery and doesn't allow your hair to lock up. So yeah, all it does is make your hair look quote-unquote healthy, even though your hair is already healthy, even though it may look dry or whatever. There's a lot of misconceptions about hair, and there's a lot of stuff I still need to learn. So if there's anything you disagree with me on, or you're like, no, you should do this, or no, you should do that, then please let me know. And I have no idea why I'm putting my hoodie on right now, but yeah, it happened. But yeah, to get rid of dandruff and itchy hair is to shampoo it. I said that like 3 or 4 times already. I can't stress it enough. Also, another thing I want to say is stay away from scratching your hair too much, because if you scratch your hair too much, it could develop a scalp scab, or a scab will form on your scalp because you're scratching too much, and you keep on scraping your skin off, basically to the point where it gets to where the blood meets with your skin or whatever. Then you know your scalp will start bleeding, and then a scab will form, and it's not good when the scab forms. It doesn't really hurt, but it's just annoying to be there. I actually have one right here that's going away. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a red area. But yeah. And also, I haven't got a taper in a while. Don't roast me. It's not showing much anyways now that my hair's down. But yeah. But anyways, that's how you do it. So if you like the video, make sure you please leave a like. If you want to subscribe to see more of these type of videos, or videos about God, or religion, or music, or anything, then just please comment down what you want me to do, and I will see if I can do it. So thank you people so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.